Hey guys, so Xiaomi just made the Redmi K30 official and they literally nailed it in terms of the pricing. So Xiaomi explained how important is 5G for future and they are using the Snapdragon 765G CPU which is based on 7nm process and has an integrated 5G. This is impressive. Then Xiaomi started talking about the front design. They showcase the advantage and disadvantage of different design language like hole versus notch versus rising selfie shooter, and they pick hole because it is durable and better than others. They are using dual selfie shooter which is sleek. To be exact, the Xiaomi Redmi K30 comes with a 6.67 inches IPS 120Hz display. They compare the Honor V30 display with the K30 and K30 of course beats the V30 in terms of display. They say you can switch from 60Hz and 120Hz, but there is no option for 90Hz. 120Hz means the screen would refresh 120 times per second, which is super smooth. Now comes the back design, which Xiaomi knows looks like a coin slot machine. I think this looks like a okayish design. That is a combination of Huawei Mate 30 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is not bad at all. Xiaomi is using side fingerprint scanner. There are 4 gradient color options: reddish pink, aura white, purple and greenish blue. The Xiaomi K30 features 4 cameras on back. It is the first smartphone with Sony IMX686 64 megapixel camera, which is great. The Honor V30 in comparison uses 40 megapixel shooter, which is not as impressive as 64 megapixel that Xiaomi is using. Then we have a wide angle shooter, depth camera and a macro lens. Yeah, there is no telephoto zoom, which is kinda disappointing cause K20 do features a telephoto cam, so that is a downgrade for sure. Front has 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel selfie shooter, one is main and second is depth. In the software department, Xiaomi has added 2nd generation night sight, 2.39:1 ratio cinematic images, wide angle video recording and other cool features. It runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10. The Xiaomi Redmi K30 features a 4500 mAh battery which gets fully charged in 58 minutes via the 30 watts charger. It has USB-C port, a headphone jack with high resolution audio which is super impressive. And now for majority of you, the Redmi K30 4G. It has same 6.7 inches panel, same 120Hz display, same IMX686, however with the Snapdragon 730G CPU and 27 watts charging, so not a huge gap I would say. 1999 yuan for Redmi K30 5G. Wow, that's 20,000 Indian rupees / 284 US dollars. It goes up to 2899 yuan depending on storage and RAM. The K30 4G is just 1599 yuan, which is 16,000 Indian rupees. That's 227 US dollars. That is awesome. So that's all guys, the sale starts really soon in China and it's coming globally in a few weeks. Like, subscribe and turn on the notifications for latest news. Peace out.